Okay, boys and girls, now let's go over activity number 2. This is the Lone Star practice, just like this. I hope you're on the same page as me. Remember, it looks like it's a lot, but it's not, and it's pretty easy, okay? Let's do the red part first, this part over here on the left side. Remember, you have letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. And then you have the blocks up here that also have A, B, C, D, and E, and F. Okay, let's read each one. Ready? This is for rectangle A, for this box up here. Which doesn't belong? Which one does not go with the other ones? Look at 1, 2, 3, and 4, and study those pictures. Let me zoom it in so you can see it better. Zoom it in. There it is. What do you see that's different from these pictures? Which one is different? Which one does not go with the other ones? And you're going to write that that number, is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? You're going to write that number right here on the first blank. Okay? Easy peasy. Now let me put my notes on again. Okay, look at B. B says fill in the blanks. Well, let's look at B. Ready? Let's count it. 66, 68, 70. And it looks like they are counting by twos. So what would be next? What two numbers come next? And you're going to write those numbers in this blank right here. Look at C. Ooh, we have 10 frames in C. So let's see. How many are in each little frame right here? There's 10, right? So let's count these together. 10, 20, 30, 40. How do we write 40? A 4 and a 0. Ooh, that looks like a C in this one. 40. And then look at these ones. Is this 10 frame complete? No. So these are just ones. How many ones do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you write that right here. And what is the total of these two numbers? You're going to add these two numbers and you're going to write it right here. Look at D. Now we're going to look at this table. Let's look at the table for a little bit. This is a favorite bug. So they asked students what their favorite bug is. A is a grasshopper, and each smiley face is for one student. And B is for the ladybugs. This amount of students voted for a ladybug as their favorite bug. Look at what it says. What is the total number of student choices? How many kids voted? You're going to count all your smiley faces. You're going to write that number right here. Then you're going to tell me in E, which has more? Is it A, the grasshopper has more votes? Or is it B, the ladybug has more votes? And then by how many more? By how many votes did they win? And then this part that says write another question, do not worry about that part. Now look at F. Ooh, I like F. Let me change the color of my pen. Make it a little bit thicker. Luna is down here by my feet and she wants to be part of the video, she says. Okay, let's see. Fill in the 10 frame with the add-ins. These are the add-ins right here. So first we have 4. You're going to fill in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have what other number? 3. So I'm going to choose a different color. I have 3. Let me add those in. 1, 2, 3. And how many more do we need to make the 10? How many more do we need? That's what you're going to write right here. So when you write your equation, I'm going to write mine a little bit bigger because my pen is big. You're going to write 4 plus 3 plus this number right here of the ones that are missing equals 10. Okay? And then look at pink. Now we're on the pink side, on this side over here. And A says, use the equation in a story problem. Remember we did this one a couple of weeks ago? You have 7 plus 7 equals blank. So you're going to create a story. Miss Limon had 7 cookies and her friends gave her 7 more. How many cookies does she have in all? Ooh, there's a mistake. Look at that. I found a mistake. That is wrong right there. That should say 7 plus 7 equals. You can also say Luna had 7 bones and she found 7 more bones outside. How many bones does Luna have? And then you're going to write your problem down here. Okay? Look at B. Copy and fill in the square. Remember when we did our balances, boys and girls? Here we have another one. You have 6 on one side. Let's do this side first. 7 plus 5. You have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on this side you have how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, both of these sides have to be the same. They have to be equal. So how many are missing on this side to make them with the same number? And you're going to write that right here. And look at C. Sketch the coins and count the values. So you're going to draw your coins. You're going to draw 2 dimes. You're going to draw 2 nickels and 1 penny. You're going to draw them right there. So how many dimes? How much is a dime worth? 10. 10. How much is a nickel worth? 5. 5. And how much is a penny? 1. And then you're going to tell me what is the total. ¿Cuánto total de dinero tenemos aquí? Now look at D and E. Right here. You're going to tell me how long is the nail? How many squares is it? That's the word that's going to go. Let me do my pen smaller. That's the word that's going to go right here. Squares. I'm sorry, it looks so messy, boys and girls. How many squares is the nail long? And how many paper clips long is the nail? And you're going to write that number right here. So how many squares? How many paper clips? And then why are they different? Why aren't they the same number of squares and the same number of paper clips? We've already done one like this. So when you're done with red and pink, boys and girls, and you've filled in all your blanks right here, this is where your answers are going to go. See that? Your answers are going to go here, and then this is the one that your parents are going to take a picture of. Remember, boys and girls, mom and dad, you do not have to do science. Science is just for fun. I'm not taking grades for the science work, okay? If you want to do it, you're more than welcome to do it for fun. There is a lot of fun stuff you can do here, but I'm not taking it for a grade. I'm only taking math and reading for a grade. Okay, acuérdense, papás, que no estamos tomando calificaciones por ciencias ni estudios sociales. No es necesario que hagan estas actividades al final. Lo único que se requiere para mi clase es lectura y matemáticas. Y esta semana son solamente 5 tareas. No tienen que hacer ciencias ni estudios sociales aquí al final. ¿Ok? Es una manera que yo decidí para ayudarles porque sé que todavía algunos de ustedes están trabajando o no tienen los recursos en casa para hacer estas actividades. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for this week, 6.1. Hopefully this is all over soon and I get to see your beautiful smiles and your beautiful faces again. I miss you so much and I love you. And this week you're going to get a read aloud, so look out for that read aloud, okay? I love you, boys and girls. I give you big, big hugs.